Introduction to JavaScript If Statement. JavaScript is a powerful scripting language for creating interactive web pages. If statement is a control flow construct in JavaScript. It controls the flow of code execution based on specified conditions. Understanding the JavaScript if statement executes a block of code if a specified condition is true. If the condition is false, the if block is skipped. JavaScript if statement with else. Else statement is used to execute a different block of code if the if condition is false. JavaScript if statement with else if. Else if statement is used to test multiple conditions. It adds more conditions to the if statement. Tips and tricks: use triple equals couple for comparison in the condition. Handle all possible outcomes in your if statement. Use parentheses to make complex conditions more readable. Common errors and how to avoid them. Not using the else clause in the if statement. Forgetting to use braces to define the if block. Incorrect use of else if statement. Conclusion: JavaScript if statement controls the flow of code execution. Proper use of if statement leads to efficient and error-free code. Always use triple equals for comparison, handle all outcomes, and use braces to define if blocks.